Soaring above the Earth, thousands of Williams International fan jet engines are in the air today, with millions of flight hours of service. And that's just what we've done so far. With planned engine upgrades, new products on the horizon, and our Williams Blue Planet initiative to relentlessly drive to carbon neutrality, the future is made here, and your future awaits at Williams International. We are looking for innovators, creators, and problem solvers. We offer opportunities in advanced manufacturing, engineering, and more. Apprenticeships and meaningful internship programs await those who are ready to start a career with a world leader in the aerospace industry. We see things differently here, and we'll expect you to be different too, because it takes a unique vision to build the reputation of a leader. Our team members create, manufacture, and manage their products from start to finish. Regardless of the role you play, we value your problem-solving skills and ideas. We're built on collaboration, and our employees are rewarded for a job well done. Your success is our success. At Williams International, you have the rare opportunity to work on a variety of groundbreaking projects, make an impact on our industry, and put your name on cutting-edge, world-changing products. Because we're privately owned, we offer a unique culture and atmosphere where shared human experiences create valuable bonds. We believe that everyone should feel included the moment they step through our front doors. Simply put, we operate from a sense of care for our employees. If your professional goals include saving money, pursuing further education, or managing wellness, we provide benefits, including 401k match, 100% tuition reimbursement, medical, dental, and vision plans, sick days, 13 paid holidays, and we offer above-average salaries for the aerospace industry. Employees come here to work hard, but can play hard too. You'll have access to our state-of-the-art facilities, recreation areas, sports leagues, clubs, volunteer opportunities with real community impact, and a 24/7 gourmet cafe. With our locations in Michigan and Utah, you'll be close to major airports, national parks, fun venues to eat and play at, professional sports teams, and many other activities. Join us in building the future. Williams International, the power of vision.